Chapter 67. Lindsay's in the living room doing homework on the couch. She looks up, and there's surprise in her eyes. "Elliot," she says, "haven't seen you in a while." He nods, his cheeks reddening. The phone rings and Lindsay grabs it. "Want to hang out in my room?" I ask. "Okay." "I'm Miss Greenberg," Lindsay says, winking at us. I nudge Elliot and nod toward the phone. "Check this out," I whisper. "Lindsay's so funny with telemarketers." Elliot and I hunch up together and eavesdrop. "Yes, he's my son," Lindsay says, shrugging at me and Elliot. It's hard to hold back laughter. "Yes," Lindsay says, "that would be wonderful. I'll let him know." She presses the phone against her ear and leans forward. "No, thank you. He'll be very excited to hear that." She nods. "Yes, just let me get some paper." Lindsay waves her hand and Elliot whips a sheet of paper and a pen from his backpack. Lindsay scribbles something, then says, "Thanks again. Goodbye." When Lindsay hangs up, her cheeks are bright pink and her hands are flapping. She looks at me, then Elliot, then me again. "David," she says in her high-pitched voice that sends my heart racing. "What?" Lindsay screams, "They're showing Talk Time on The Daily Show!" I hear something that sounds like Talk Time and The Daily Show. I shake my head. "What?" She keeps flapping her hands like she's hoping to take flight. "David, they're going to put Talk Time on The Daily Show. They're on tomorrow's show." Elliot punches me hard in the arm. "David, this is so great. This is so great." Lindsay holds both of my hands. "That was a producer from The Daily Show. They're going to play your Jon Stewart Talk Time video." "Oh my." Lindsay squeezes my hands really hard and we jump and scream. Elliot pumps his fist in the air. "Oh yeah, sweet! Oh yeah!" Dad walks in just as Lindsay and I fall over and nearly crack our heads on the coffee table. "What? What are we celebrating?" Dad asks. "Hey, Elliot, great to see you." He squeezes Elliot's shoulder. "So what's going on here?" Breathless, Lindsay explains, "A producer from The Daily Show called. They found out about David's videos on their forum, and they're playing his video tomorrow." "The Daily Show?" Dad asks. "Are you sure it wasn't someone playing a trick?" Lindsay shows Dad the piece of paper. Dad calls the number and speaks to the producer. He hangs up and says, "It's true." Lindsay and I jump and scream all over again. "Was?" Bubby asks, coming into the room. Lindsay explains and Bubby hugs me. "Oh, I'm so proud. I told you that Jon Stewart was a mensch." Then she notices Elliot. "Bubala!" She puts his cheeks in her palms. "So nice to have you back here." Bubby looks at me and winks. "Nice to see you too, matzo ball mama," Elliot says, and we all crack up.